Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what I got in this package. I actually had got this off of Poshmark. It was a little bundle that somebody was selling as like a bonus for buying one of her other products. And so there's a whole bunch of fun in this little package. So I'm going to just dump it out on the bed and show you what everything is here. Okay, so this is actually a bag, which I love. I think it's hilarious. It's perfect for like phlebotomists or even nurses because, you know, nurses give shots and everything like that. But I just love this. And it's actually a pretty nice quality bag. It has a zipper at the top. It's like a purple color. I don't know if it's coming off as more purple or blue in the camera, but it is like a purple color. So let me unwrap these so then you guys can get a better look. I don't want to like waste time unwrapping them on camera because that's annoying. So I'll be right back. So in the package was this bag, I Will Stab You, and then these, some of them are highlighters. Like, I don't know if you can really tell, but that's a highlighter, obviously. Oh no, this is why you don't recap needles, people. But some of them are highlighters, like these ones, this one, the purple, the green, and pink. And then these are actually pens. I used to have a pen like this, but I don't remember where I got it from. It said something on the side though, so I want to say it was like a sample. But you actually like to like get the pen tip out, you actually have to push it like you're giving a shot or something, and then you push this little button right there to push the tip of the pen back in. And then this is probably the most funny thing. It's a nurse coloring book, obviously. Sweary Midnight Edition. So I'm just going to flip to a random page. And this is actually textured. I love the texture of the cover. Yeah. So this is going to be like really fun. I kind of want to, I might even frame a couple of these because they're hilarious. But 40 single-sided coloring pages. See, so framing or hanging. I just love it. Like, it's totally inappropriate, but I love it. Let's see if we can find something. I don't know. Oh, color test page. See what else we can find. So true. But anyways, I just thought I would share with you guys. So it's the coloring book, the highlighters and the pens, and the I Will Stab You. And this was just like, I think she titled it like Fun Nursing Bundle or something like that. And it was only like $5. So I figured why not, because it is hilarious and I love it. Especially this. This is probably my favorite part other than I Will Stab You. I also think the highlighters are really cool. So when I go back to nursing school in the fall, I can definitely make use of all these pretty highlighters.